Since I don't know if your game will use physics or not, I made the tool work with both. In a non-physics game, you move objects by directly changing their transform position. In a physics-based game, you should never move objects that way. Instead, you use a rigid body and let Unity's physics system handle the movement. Mixing these two approaches everywhere in the code can quickly become confusing and hard to maintain. To avoid that, I created an IMovable interface. An interface is simply a set of rules that a class must follow. Unlike abstract class, a class can implement multiple interfaces, which makes them very flexible. Any object that implements IMovable must provide a velocity value, how fast the object can move, a reference to its transform, and a reference to its rigid body. The usePhysics property returns true or false. Because a rigid body is required for physics, I just check whether a rigid body exists. When I need the object position, I call getPosition. This method automatically reads the position from the transform or the rigid body, depending on whether physics is enabled or not. getTransferredVelocity is used when something like a bullet hits an object. It returns the correct velocity so we can transfer force whether the object uses physics or not. Finally, transfer force applies the impact force. If the target does not use physics, nothing happens. If it does use physics, I use Unity's built-in method to apply force at the hit position. This way, the rest of the code doesn't need to worry about physics at all, it just works.